Good day, everyone. I'm Cherry R. August, and I'll be reporting about Continuing Professional Development Plan or CPD plan and a template for a CPD plan. So, first, let's tackle about CPD plan. So, Continuing Professional Development Plan, a proof that a professional teacher has made CPD his or her way of life, is his or her formulation of CPD plan which he or she religiously follows, whether monitored or not monitored by his or her superior, because she or he monitor himself or herself. So, it emphasizes the importance of having a continuing professional development plan for professional teachers. It states that a teacher who has made CPD a way of life is one who formulated a CPD plan and follow religiously regardless whether they monitor or not monitor by their superiors. It means that a teacher is self-motivated to improve their skill and knowledge through CPD activities. Developing a personal CPD helps teacher leaders develop purposively. It is best that good intention should be made concrete in a simple and doable plan. So, it explains how developing a personal CPD plan can help teachers, leaders grow purposively. It highlights that having a good intention to do CPD is not enough, and that it should be made concrete and a simple and doable plan, which should be specific, measurable, attainable, realistic, and time-bound. Professional teachers formulating their respective annual CPD plans and faithfully observing them led to the building of a CPD culture among professional teachers. With that CPD culture, the negative attitude towards mandatory CPD hopefully will fade away. So, it discusses the impact of professional teacher formulating and following their annual CPD plan. It states that this leads to building annual CPD culture among professional teachers, which can help eliminate negative attitudes towards mandatory CPD. This goal is to reach a point where professional teachers willingly go through CPD not just because it is required, but because they see it as something they are to themselves as professional and the public deserve. This is seen as a true mark of professionalism. So, in overall, the Continuing Professional Development Plan is a structured approach to ensure ongoing learning and skill development in a professional field. It typically involves setting goals, identifying learning opportunities, and regularly reflecting on progress. It is essential for career growth and staying relevant in a rapidly evolving work environment. And now, let's move forward for templates for a CPD plan, which are the Teacher's Individual Plan for Professional Development or IPPD and Personal CPD Plan. The first one is a template used in public schools. The second is another template used by others. Comparing the two templates make one conclude that they are basically the same. Take note of a sample questions. They ask basically the same thing. which template to use. It's up to you. For those interested to be in-depth, it may be good to use the IPPD format. So, the teacher's individual plan professional development or IPPD, and for the objectives, what competence will I enhance? So, ano ang layunin mo? Yung target mo, ano yung competence na gusto mong i-enhance sa iyong sarili? And for the methods or strategies, what professional activity will I undertake to achieve my objectives? So, ano yung mga activity na gagawin mo para ma-achieve yung mga objectives mo? And for the resources, what will I do to access resources? So, ano ang gagawin mo to access resources? Yan yung mga gagamitin like books, internet, and other resources. And also for the time frame, when do I expect to have accomplished? So, dito mo ilalagay on how many days will it take to accomplish it. And for the success indicator, what PPSP competence would I have enhanced? What learners' performance would have been improved? So, ano yung competence na i-enhance sa'yo kung na-achieve mo ba ang mga objectives mo after yung competence na yon na natutunan mo? Ano yung mga na-improve sa mga students mo, like improving their reading comprehension, vocabulary, and so on. So, let's move to the second template, which is personal CPD plan. And in the training need, what do I need to improve my teaching? So, you need to plan first para makuha mo yung goal na gusto mong ma-achieve. Like, teaching strategies and technique para makuha mo ang atensyon ng mga students, especially sa mga makukulit na bata or mga low performance, paano mo sila i-motivate. And for the objective, what should I do to address my need? So, ano ang gagawin mo para ma-achieve mo iyon? Ano ang target mo? To make PP for at least 5 lessons. So, in the activity, what activity should I undergo to address my need? So, ano yung mga activity na gagawin mo to address your need, like tutorial? Example, kapag nakita mo ang isang bata na low performance, i-guide mo siya or i-tutor para ma-improve siya. And for the resources needed, human, whose help do I need to address? Material, what materials or how much cash do you need to address my needs? So, sa human, ano yung need mo to achieve CPD plan? Like, human, you need other people, or IT teacher, or expert to guide or to help you. And for the materials naman is like laptop or LCD. And for the time frame, when am I supposed to have addressed my needs? So, ilalagay mo yung date. Ano yung date ka mag-start? Example is May 2018 or July 2024. And for the expected output, ano ang expect mo na kalalabasan sa ginawa mo? And for the expected outcome naman, what result does this activity have on my teaching and my student learning? So, more interesting and more complete lesson presentation and improved student score. And that's all. Thank you.